In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vertical text on Squarespace. If you want to give your site a more custom, modern look, vertical text can be a great design touch. In Squarespace, the easiest way to do this is by adding a small bit of custom CSS. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that setting so you can apply the code quickly and confidently. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to edit. Once you're inside the main dashboard, click on Website. This takes you into the area where you can manage the structure and design settings for your site. From there, click on Pages. Even though we're going to be working with CSS, this path leads you into the section where those customization options are available. If you're new to Squarespace, don't worry, this is completely normal and you're still in the right place. Next, look for Custom Code and click on it. This area is where Squarespace allows you to add extra styling and functionality beyond the standard built-in design controls. It's especially useful when you want to make visual changes that aren't available through the regular editor. Once you're in Custom Code, click on Custom CSS. This opens the CSS editor where you can add styling rules that change how elements appear on your website. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's the language used to control the look and layout of your site. Now, paste the code into the custom CSS box. This is the key step that makes the vertical text effect possible. After pasting it in, Squarespace usually applies the styling right away, so you may be able to see the change immediately in your site preview. If you don't notice the update right away, try refreshing the page or checking that the code was pasted correctly with no missing characters. As a quick tip, make sure the code is targeting the exact text element you want to rotate or display vertically. If the text doesn't change, the code may need to be connected to the correct section, heading, or block on your page. Also, keep readability in mind. Vertical text can look great, but it works best when used intentionally for short labels, accents, or design highlights rather than long paragraphs. Once everything looks right, save your changes and preview your site to confirm the effect works well on both desktop and mobile. And that's how to make vertical text on Squarespace.